are you? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the new 2019 June Amazon Welcome Baby Box. So I have seen a lot of videos on YouTube, and unfortunately this box do not seem to be the same as the other ones. The other one looks a lot bigger and they have a lot of stuff, but this one it's a lot smaller. So I wanted to show you what you might be getting if you are expecting mom, or you are opening a baby registry with Amazon. The only thing I ask you to do is that when you have you open a baby registry, and there's several links or several things that they want you to add in your baby registry, and then after someone buys something from your account, I believe it's a minimum of $10, you get this box for free. Now you do need to go, as soon as you get your deliver product that you order under your name or your baby registry list, you do have to go back and add this box to your account or your chart or your shopping cart, and then you will go to the process of purchasing this, but at the end it will be a total of $0. So even if it says it's a $20-$30 value box, you will add it to your cart, and then at the end before you check out it's going to be a 0. So I'm going to show you what it's in here. Very curious. So this is what it looks like. First, to your box, you get to have a welcome box. They're asking you what to do, like for example, download the app, scan the things, and add it into your registry, and then after you have a purchase, you can enjoy the products. So this is the Amazon baby registry. So ready? I'm gonna open this. Let's see what's in here. All right, so advertisement from Progressive. So it's just advertisement that you can save some money. And then we are going to, or you're gonna receive, just like I did, some of the breast milk or breastfeeding, what do you call this? I forgot. Disposable pads. So there are two in here. So very helpful to get this. Actually would like to know if we get coupons in here, just because I like coupons and I like to go shopping when things are on sale. No, there's no coupons, but we do have a guide of different products they have. Oh, this one's nice. This is a baby onesie, and it's 100% organic. And if I open this, this is actually elephant. So it's perfect for boy or girl. More for boy, but it's cute. Oh, here it is. There's actually some of like a small example of baby rash cream, and there's also a coupon in the back. First one that I see with a coupon. So I like it when they let us try the product, and if we really like it, just to have a coupon. So there's that. One more, or those baby detergent example trial. So I got one of this in the Walmart box, but now you can have one. You get one also at the Amazon one. Ooh, 7th generation. 7th generation, they do have several products. Obviously they do have diapers, baby wipes, and here, let's see what's inside. All right, there is a coupon of 20% off. It's actually if you subscribe to Amazon monthly delivery. So if you do that, you save 20% off on your shopping, and they give you an option for you to scan, or just to keep a track of which product you would like to receive. And I actually do have a prescription for diapers for my older boy. He's a size 6, and I do get the 20% off of diapers. Oh, look at this. You got to have a size 1 sensitive skin baby diapers, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4 in here. Very handy to have. And also they're giving you a free example of baby wipes. perfect to keep in the diaper bag. So if you do like this product, then it's good because then you also have the option to be ordering those every month through Amazon prescription with 20% off. There's also some baby rash oatmeal or oat mint. So what do you say oatmeal for? All right, this is what happens when you have a live video, right? So this is awesome to keep, a nice size to keep in a diaper bag. Let me see how many ounces is this. Doesn't have, oh, 1.5 ounces. Nice, nice, nice. So if you, a lot of kids get those diaper rashes, and if you're breastfeeding, not as much as the babies. There's also Aveeno Baby Daily Moisturized Lotion example. Nice to have in your diaper bag or the car. Oh, nice. You get to have a newborn bottle. So even if you are not planning to bottle feed the baby, it is good to have 1 or 2 on hand, because just in case you're breastfeeding the first days, it doesn't work as well as you're thinking. It's good to have a backup because you don't want the baby to get hungry. So just this, I think this is like a $3-4 value. So so far I'm trying to have an idea how much is worth of things here inside the box, and I think this product is gonna make it worth every single penny. And this is a swaddle, and it's actually, is it it's a cotton swaddle. I was thinking it was gonna be organic, but it doesn't say that it's organic. And it has those cute little zebras patterns, super cute for boy or girl. So and then it tells you here how to swaddle the baby, just in case you have no experience or if you forgot how to do it. So this is it. This is what is inside the Amazon baby box, welcome box. I think just having the swaddle, having this baby bottle, and us having the cream are very, very helpful. Also the diapers, it's a great way for us to try those white diapers, especially when they're free. You don't want to buy a whole box of 200 or 100 and then not like them. And the baby onesie, that is organic, that's a great product. I like that they do have 1 or 2 coupons. Actually I only saw 1 coupon, but I like to have coupons in hand, especially if I like the product. So this is a good box. I'm very happy with it's in here. It is worth it to open your registry. It is worth it to just order something online, even if you are not if you, there's something that you need for sure. Let's say you do need some baby wipes, just add those into your cart or add that in your baby registry, and then go back to your baby registry, order it, pay for it, and then you are going to be eligible to order this box for free. And it's free shipping too if you are a Prime member. So good box. I think it is worth it to order and do the baby registry. And this is June 2019 Amazon baby registry welcome box. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it thumbs up, and if you guys like to put in the comments any more videos